course ni game eri hagati ya district ya Bushenyi barukutaza district ya Shema muzano kwiguraho tournament of course for the first time district age mwana mureta pizobera of course netana hata na pesa itware bero district ya Mwingi bitkarizo kandi aho kuturebera aho n'icyo cyo muhendo of course abari district za Nkore that is Kiruhura of course Ibanda Nchakare Ibanda versus Kazo of course game rikora taho biti zoberi main focus ya Nkore Cup turi hari Bushenyi main stadium ningashiba kweta Kameri Karoro Okrut of course stadium and of course ngomza no kwiguraho Nkore Cup ya edition age abantu rebaho akandi teams zibasukana ziwera amushayi of course it is Bushenyi abari mu kajazi ka green and of course versus district ya Shema biziro mu kajazi aka white akunkurira kureba ambura kure yiturebaho kandi mabazi ko kuza kwari line ups okuza sakandi standika bitu cyane kandi umanya no kugira edition age abugungumza rwose kwiguraho Bushenyi versus Shema cyo nyine kandi umanya kindi no kugira ngo edition age na gatano edition yo kubanza ikahangura district ya Bweju edition ya kabiri 2023 yahangurwa Bweju edition ya kashatu ikabasiko hangurwa district ya Rubirizi of course kari 2024 then 2023 edition ya heruche edition ya kane basiko hangurwa district ya Isingiro that is 2025 agin 2026 basiko yizana abantu mingi Bunonga revive y'abantu mingi Bunonga and remember teacher yeki kiroba MPs kuri go district zona ushikutanje hano Bushenyi Shema tinoba aba MPs bona abantunga mubona barahanuya of course aba districts nyamwenye za burengeri zo bazona zirahanuya basikare betera naha utino aba MPs kuri go district zari zimana zimutino na youth MP akandi aba bacara national wide of course that is Mase akanye sijina barahanuya n'abandi bingi Nyamunonga akandi ubyenyi mukuru right honorable deputy speaker w'Ishengero abwire butari buringo za kwantu bareba hanuya kwasika representing kandi nwe ubyenyi mukuru ayizoba nkeri Nyamurungi akira kari kwizo misho za kwatunga Beckham atiseho line up seats zo no kwa tambura na munogi zoberi tumanye Shema ba leta oha kandi Bushenyi ba leta oha remember nti akona Tombe student bazana hamwe last edition bakaba bari mu group emwe na hati basakana bija baza baza akandi group ni yemwe kiteka kugira ngo nebemanya bashaba abateri bashamba bemanya na nabasa edition ehwire nawe nyine bamanya kandi intekateka ze kwa kitambara massive na mno kira kari kwiza misha kumukoreba haho indeed turebo kandi ba MPs na ngwana na ba officials Nyamwingi bari baje kandi baramuseho kandi ba team zombi of course basakana tureba district ya Bushenyi bibembirwe da captain ni Said Argumaho ubwo niwe captain wa Bushenyi of course na edition ya Hwire kabasikana Aisha our captain and district ya Shema basikana bembero ho shot number 18 abinji bakumanyaka actually mteni murebo mu teams Nyamwingi na mnoga za kusana shabira but this edition basikana sharamu ya garukumuka of course na harukomoka and remember to Bushenyi zobe turarebe ho hari hirari mukundane tarasukana de ku squad still na Shema tibine striker wa Ivan Himbiso abire top scorer wa ligue Hwire ninga ya UPL Hwire kale chifite kugira ngo nawe nza kwa kikosa ho ninga shiza kwa costing aho district stage ya Shema konka wene ko no manya za za 360 ninga live coverage kurga hari Bushenyi main stadium Rio Jose yo mukizimbe nangwa na Beckham nazukana igito mukira karukija misha basikana tso lineups eza basikana standika nicyo ine ko no manya no kugira ngo vibe eriyaha ndo nakumanya Shema nibakira igara kira Shema so kwantumanya kira basika kira na mnogo babazi nkogu akandi icyo ine ko no manya na mnogo babazi nkogu kandi zo kwantufuna na mnonga vibe kurgo mu district stars zimwe abari akutura basikana batugambira ngo muri Mbara district abari muri Ambara city abari muri Kiruhura abari muri Kazo kimukora n'icyo muhendo abari kuri atero mu kutugito YouTube kubera ko mukikora kandi za kwantu basimira kimwe stine bugarikiro kandi tune team mpango hano ari Bushenyi main stadium kwa pisha yishongeze za Mwingi bakabasika no manya kandi Nkore Cup yo yakanga edition ya katatu kwa sikani gambira and of course edition ya gatano twakitangira hari Bushenyi main stadium hari Bushenyi neza kwa nilitana na district ya kandi ya akwegamba ya ashema namno kubazo kogo tinaho Beckham aine lineups and I truly believe naza kwa natiseho teams zombi tumanye oha yasikona atandika bwa team eji kandi omukera kari kwijaho omishaho kandi turebaho team zombi zakwana bateza abishani bafuna achiba kweta photo moment omukere nkaka twasikana tumanya team yasikana itandika neha Beckham lineups abasikana stunga and twasikana tufuna team yasikana itandika district zombi at this very juncture tisi lineups zetu twasikana tandikiraho omukire nkaka.
Okay, tayari West TV Beckham the sports master Royal Judge Jose teba kumanyango Ankole Cup 50th edition kikangu twabaza kubantu ruga intijigura ombutongore akire nkaka turimo tuzakujigura ombutongore tureba team zona zabase kubana zirgairize tebe kanisa hani ya chai icabushenyi main stadium teba kumanyango habanza imisane itari yemwe nemwe twarebaho ishomero rya Montera High School Stunga bakuriturana na Saint Kagwa event twareba mpira gwa team ya Mecha bakuriturana ba MPs ayitwareba MPs Boxing Media na course ezupingana ibiri harimo but so far turi omuzano ogwe kigendererwa ogutayire tutebekanise in fact no gutayire tutebekanise teba kumanya kubushenye barimo barituranaho hamwe na Shema achaicha Bushenyi main stadium niga shibasha kuba no Jet America Rural Stadium teba kumanya hafi ba district ya Bushenyi bareta Hafiz Kasim jase number 18 then bareta Tulyamsima Ronald jase number 7 right imbere Akajozi then Kawauro Isma jase number OT jaze number 5 na timu ya Chitara akazana na timu ya Cool Ronald OT ya itimba jaze number 5 then twarebaho Karuhanga Joab jaze number 27 abinjinu mumanya then waza kureba Charles Bare jaze number 14 baba mchaji kwaho even timu ya Soccer Club Vira ko musigaza kabasa kubana kurebya Fabian Charles Bare obati ya timu ya Police FC Charles Bare one of the best strikers if you can remember 2023 back in 2023 arikuyamba timu ya Soccer Club Vira bakwangure chikopo cyabo cyikuna mushaju Charles Bare kabasa kubana ate cross swingers 12 even yazano na timu kumanyanga ya Goma Hia kuri mu Kenya even yazano na Lions Sports kuri mu yanga ya Rwanda that is Charles Bare jaze number 14 tarima Edwin Mbumbu jaze number 8 yatandika bwa district ya Bushenyi then waza kurebaho Seir Argumaho jaze number 9 Rastaman kazano timu ya Mbarara City 6 o'clock bati yanazana timu ya Bull last season akatera goals 2 esa Uganda Star Times of Premier League then Chizuto Run Fico jase number 6 ya nawe yatandika bwa district ya Bushenyi then waza kureba Kamwesiga Jacob jase number 20 awe yabaza kubana rugana yatandika kuri no then waza kureba kacheka cha district ya Shema Jukangu Shema bwati ya nabo on ba missing Ivan Ahimbisibwe omwe ombabire ba representing Uganda Cranes okwe omyanga ya Morocco ya deba jire matches izo mpaho abaza kubana barika yiru bas cancelling but Shema batandika second Andrew Noah Entebbe UPPC one of the best goalkeepers wabuza Otim Dennis akabaza kubana rugana mtira Entebbe second Andrew jaze number 22 yatandika Waswa Kaside jaze number 15 yatandika bwa Shema Tarima Farouk jaze number 12 then Ayoreka Baron jaze number 5 then Okada Augustine jaze number 13 then Raimat Semfuka jaze number 18 kumwerebera Raimat jaze number 18 then Byaruhanga Oscar jaze number 8 Mugisha Rogers jaze number 14 one of the best midfielders Rogers Mugisha then Kanyesi Jebran abenjino manya kurujunonga akurire okumpaha saiza Bushenyi even na timu ya 6 o'clock akabasa kubana rugana Sanao then Taremwa Derek jaze number 9 to batandika basho then kacheka tukareba omuri substitutes okaza district ya Bushenyi noza kureba umusigazo kuma Aido Mugisha right aitimbere jaze number 22 then Mutebwa Aaron Kamara Emmanuel Bwebembera Andrew then Atudia Singra Mansur Mwesugwa Mark amena Agawa Edwin otire oba coaches atwine Viari bino Mugisha coach amena ngwana Collins one of the best assistant coaches awaza kureba ishemero ya Saint Kagwa has been there Mr Collins arukutendekaho ishemero Eliempower then waza kurebaho aba district ya Shema haro Kamsime Arani bine Tarima Kranima Tarias na Turinda Kamsime Brand Tracy Crepa ISJ Aronde Mirembe Hadadi jase number 17 then coach asakwa no mwita unsamba Andrew okwebargayo bayungura basyo squad yabo abashema district nibatoreka Ronald OT one of the best defenders akabasa kwana rugana changura 2023-2024 by then akadia team ya Group FC Ronald OT currently praise for Chitara FC omubakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League once kureba team ya Bushenyi abino experience hanu ya Ombazani baza kureba basanu baseira rugumaho baza kureba Kawauro Isma team ya NEC FC baza kureba basigazi ba Ronald OT Karuhanga Joab Charles Bare ubwo musigazi baza kuba no mu mwanya wa timu ya Police FC, baza kuba no mizuka timu ya Soka Club Villa Rukitebra goals zingana 12. That was back in 2023-2024. Soka Club Villa bakwangura ikipe cha Uganda Star Times Premier League. That was their 17th title. So bona badyaho mpao binawaza kureba Kizito Ryan Figo, one of the best midfielders in the world ya timu ya Bushenyi. So we have to pray for Shema. The question is, Shema ne chirigara ninga igara ne chirashema.
All right, bari munyari wa Jebeka mukwasi corruption line upsezo kandi buriyo muhatisha hizi nambanya noha watandika side hana mnogo mbazi nkogo. Remember turi hari Bushenyi Main Stadium. It is a very great evening and welcome to Tayari West TV. Na kusimara kwebaza aho kuturebera akirinka kacyo kwa n'ikintu cyo muhendo ubu ariko no kunda kimwe Tayari West TV na mnogo kubaso tubotireho akirinka turi hari Bushenyi Main Stadium and it's Ankole Cup edition ya katano ndutujikuraho izoberi. Of course it is Bushenyi in green. And of course white is Shema. Mpira gasikana gutandika immediately mpira gasikana gutandika mnyarwanda wanje urukiriza kirenka kakare kutureba hari Tayari West TV. Echo rukora n'ikintu cyo muhendo mnogo bariko nukunda kimwe Tayari West TV kandi Rio Jose ndiyaho mukizimbira na Beckham the sports master. Ejo kwasa ntishoroza kurunje mnonga na mnogo bazi nkogo. Cyo ko nomanya no kugira ngo team zezi ibiri nizemanya. The neighbors Shema akarga hari Bushenyi. They are brothers. They are brothers. No recho. And bemanya kandi bemanya kurunje mnonga. Tureba goal kick wasikana gura mpira muringwa. Shot 14 mwetenka mugisha. Wasikana leta pass hands kunuya abatimu ya Shema bit kandi wasana tureba. Shot 7 abatimu ya kandi ya Bushenyi. Umusigazo wakwetanka Sigazo wakwetanka Ronald wasikana bamutega kandi ari hansi. Tujamsima Ronald. Remember ntompiro gwina test ya man munonga cyane kwa nomanya no kugira ngo gumwe ampira ecyasingire kuba ine vibe omuri Ankole. Ronald ari hansi nafuna obujanjabi abatimu ya Bushenyi. Ronald tujamsima shot 7 abatimu ya Bushenyi ari hansi naje kwa nafuna obujanjabi. Bit kandi remember omuzana gwari cyakano washamba twasakana tureba team zezi ibiri. Acende kwa nomanya nti team ya Bushenyi banu bazana team ya Shema. Burgol ninga shigol attempt. Newe cyine kwa nemanyisa na mnonga Hamza Nogo. Kandi Nterewo tsirakureba habagize bari kusinda sindikana na mnonga touchline aha team zezi ibiri. Iyo umuntu ari banda no kimaye cyinguma isa. Free kick aba Bushenyi. Free kick aba Bushenyi mwana njya kurikirize. Free kick aba district ya Bushenyi, the first chance for Bushenyi. Nibatunga ale goal ninga nza kwa turinda. Free kick aba Bushenyi. Terera cross ningwa. Terera gutomera wase kana gurgayo. Yagasakana gufuna once again. Shot 14. Yata cross ningwa. Yaba Charles Bare guza gasikanuza amakati. Batomera goalkeeper mwetinka Andrew yasakana kwa tompira goalkeeper abwatimweji ya Shema. Second Andrew shot 22. Yasomana mpira muringa munonga gwasikano heading aho. Team ya Bushenyi basikano containing mpora. Tura Charles Bare shot 14. Charles Bare leta cross ningwa. Goalkeeper yagira mpira goreke gwasikano guita goal kick. Goal kick abatimu ya Shema gukira 0-0. First half niyo cyo cyo kubanza. Echo rukora n'iki cyo muhendo kwa shanga no kula Tayari West mukireka kandi mwe bari kwa mukikora kurunje munonga. Remember Ankole Cup edition eji abantu nyamwiji batire mwaka center itoro gamberevi. Right honorable ari mu kizimbe. Right honorable ari mu kizimbe bajana banje ari Tayari West mukireka goalkeeper Mamweta Kasim. Hazif abatimu eji ya Bushenyi asikona kwa Tayari mpira muringwa munonga. Kuza gasakana shanga Charles Bare bitwe abwa Shema shot 8 abatimu eji ya Bushenyi baweta mbumbu yasikana kuheringaho wargayo. Gure hego kuri abana rwasikana guhita throw in abatimu eji ya Bushenyi. Throw in abwa Bushenyi mwana njya hurikiriza mukireka. Owereka kuzana izikwa ngo piro gwasikana kwa draw ya 0-0. Tukaba turi hari Bushenyi in fact tukaba turi hari Kabohe piro kwa 0-0. Bitu obushe muhereka kuba neta yacaye iki bakagishekuriraho. Bakagishekuriraho nzano gonyishika bakagira amakari umwengeri ya offside bakari umwengeri yo kusinda sindika no box akari umwengeri yo kugira bati bakagira bati mpira ka goal to hari biragwa district ya Bushenyi bari kusinga Shema free kick abati mwe ya Bushenyi bari tompira muri ngwa mitwe babwe ni goalkeeper yasikona kwata mnyano wanje second Andrew abati mwe ya Shema yasubira mpira muri ngwa mnonga tokamba kimnyano wanje Dr. muri Wizwera mnyano wanje bariko no chikora kana man mingi mnonga Bushenyi bakontinga game referee na jango basikona ho kuzana kubi Dr. Moses ha muri Wizwera cyo kora n'ikintu cy'abantu mnonga ahalchuwa medical bariko no sirika ka message nakareba kuruji mnonga throw in for Bushenyi shot 60 mwetika figo ya mpira muri ngwa mnonga gwashanga shana number 6 abati mwe ya Shema mwetika Davis Kakaira Ntureba district ya Shema waje kwa taingo mpira kandi referee nagira ngo neza kuba throw in abati mweji referee nagira neza kuba ari throw in aba Shema batan mpira Baron Kiraka mpira guri here finally say another throw in Sairi arguma basi kono mutera Kiraka kandi neza kuba eri throw in aba district ya Shema. Of course, mwena bari muri district stars mwana zimwe kimukora n'ikintu cy'amana munonga nchakare. It's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. Ibanda neta isa district ya Kazo. Hari ari Kagongo. Playground. Shayi 10. Izimo zizenyino tabasa kurara waferwa mpiri wo gukaza abantu kuretera buturu. Kana rizo eriyo ro kubanza se kwantureba. Yes, lead mpira gwa kumukwana kutambura sha 12. Abati meji ya Shema. Faruku. Pira ndikugenda misho mwebare kurungi mnongo bariko mukuratira ta RS TV kandi muri abantu bamana mnonga ba messages ndi mbreva mnyano wanje ataho kuri muri kiruhura we bariko ndokunda kandi tira cross ningwa batimwe ja Shema mitwe goalkeeper yasikona kwata kurungi mnonga nagira ngo iki referee nagira ngo iki referee nagira ngo hariho free kick kandi district ya Bushenyi bine free kick remember district ya Shema bine Rogers Mugisha shambwa timeja KCCA football club hari mu UPL ajure shot 14 habwa Shema is one of those classic midfielders. Shot 14 wanyini Rogers yatera mpira muringo batomeraho shot 20 abati cha Bushenyi kwiza gasikana kushanga Jacob kuchari mpora wa district ya Shema through pass Saida ruguma for Bushenyi basi sarwansi bamsindika ari hansi Saida rugumaho baje twenda kusindika hanuya Saidi argumaho ari hansi referee nagira ngo isa free kick for Bushenyi. Remember numza no kwiguraho Kore Cup edition ya 5 Bushenyi versus Shema igara nekira Shema ninga Shema nekira igara zinde kwanza kimanyizo beri yo mnyano wanje ari atari west mukire kaka kumabazi murungi mnonga kandi remember anti aba wanders batire bakasate kingi mnonga tureba Kore Cup kugendo misho nabanje munje batire mwaka sente chairman of course ba chairman bashatu bitkana kwasaganyisho ngaza media mwetenka Osman Mushabe no mwahari abatire mwaka amanu mingi mnonga free kick for Bushenyi arita cross ningwa pira guri heru it's going to be a goal kick for Shema. It's going to be a free kick for Shema. Goalkeeper Andrew Sekandi shot 20 tunaweza kuona tani kompira bwa team district edge ya Shema. Indeed a beautiful evening right here at Bushenyi main stadium. Baron habwa Shema shot 5 yatera mpira muringo gwa sikano bakutomeraho guri heru neza kuba eri throw in habwa district ya Shema.
Of course, first half 0-0 between Shema and Bushenyi. Jukangu Shema parmu anuboreka onafu Bushenyi, they are trying to penetrate. Jukangu Bushenyi barabona bagezaho kuruba gusa aba district ya Shema, but Shema they are just solid. Aho on defense yabo, that is aba district ya Shema. The likes of Faruku, the likes of those big players, Ayureka Baron, Jase number 5. bageza kuba solid but Bushenyi being a complete squad and concrete one. They have a concrete squad, the likes of Charles Barre, a player at Police FC, na kuchangu Charles Barre kazano timu ya soka Club Villa jakabasa kwa najisana na mpira yatebera goza zikwinga 12 waza kurebaho abazani abakozira amazina ba Ronald Oti abatimu ya Chitara waza kurebaho even district ya Shema okaza kurebaho bamwe omba best players so far currently team ya Entebbe UPPC bati yanuwe first choice goalkeeper bwa team ya Entebbe UPPC waza kubuzaho omukuru kumaka o team Dennis akaraga team ya URA kwegita team ya Entebbe UPPC but so far his second choice goalkeeper anima ya second Andrew. Let's wait and see. No hora base kwa narugaye natwara umupira mulamba Seiru Almaho trying to lose possession aba district ya Bushenyi haza kureba home zane ka Charles Barre narugayo yanjira kimwe haza kureba abazana ba Casting nomwe ombasana ba district ya Wakiso iza kusaniraho district ya Shema waza kurebaho abasigazi kaba Plan Nyabwina team ya 6 o'clock no mucenga kurunja mnonga even na team ejompaho yanya mitobora kabasa kwa narugana kisanira kurunja mnonga. Those are the best players aho district ya Shema batari makranma wabo chamwizuka aho team ya Dream FC aho Kabohe baza kureba abasigazi barunja mnonga rwaba Rogers Mugisha akizana team ya KCCA yazana team ya UPDF yazana team ya Gor Mahia Kenya even waza kureba na team ya AS Horsens amuyange ya Denmark. That is omkuru kumaka Rogers Mugisha, one of the signings for Shema District this edition.
Yeah, of course, tujana misho mpira kuchiri 0-0 kandi twabase kwa tambura dakika 10 mucoka cyitwa kandi cyo kubanza. Dakika in fact 11 mucoka cyitwa kubanza. Wabere kurije mndonga Beckham kwa sekondo senshongezi. Beckham omuntu ya inakuwa namanya adabnonga district ya Shema Habujeji na district ya Bushenyi pira ngukira kubagura mu kuriyana no kombes hani mose special rabo team zezi zombi nizemanya and nako nagambira bine mu that rivalry ya Neighborhood akande kindi bine mu nandembera kugira ngo Shema akakomoka hari Bushenyi timanya omuntu ari yokwe notekateka mu pira kuza kuba ntambara gutaba kuba tumanya ngo team zombi nizemanya kandi kurigira dakika zitawasaka tsambara mu cyoga cyo kubanza. You really see nti enshonga team zombi nizemanya omuntu ari yokwe basa kwa notayira mu kutugito wa X otugambire ompira kuza kwatambara guta zahari ya X ningashi ibami bamanya nka Twitter post ya sekoneja yo tugambire ompira kuza kwatambara guta za kwanisha comments zanyu na mndongo mukira kari kwizomisha tayari West TV X za kwatugambira akandi tugambire notekate ompira kuza kwatambara guta na mndongo mabazi ko Beckham omuntu ari kureba ompira ogu nogira ngo wanore mu dakika nyine twase kwatambara dakika zoka cyo kubanza gukiri nko kutwa expectinga ninga gwahindukire mu mnongo mu control ball possession na attacking force.
Of course derbies stars derbies and we expect draws of wiro wenje tokara ka kushika noteba ho omudakika nkezo zo kubaza but so far so good our district ya Shema even angona district ya Bushenyi bine shots on target zikingana ibiri kandi waza kureba naba district ya Shema na bine shot on target erikingana emwe meaning that the game it's like 50-50 but district ya Bushenyi batagerize okutoreka composure aha mupira even angwana no kuzaniraho opposition a box ningashi the other opponents a box and a district ya Shema but so far so good our districts ezurwingana ezimpa ibire ntureba performance jamani akuruga oba defenders ba district ya Shema but we all expect kugira ngo echamani dabe neguma dabe kandi abagizene benji achayi atwakarebero gwesharingo bona even turebaho some spectators ningashi abagize batari bamwe na bamwe kuno jang police yabitaro kurbana muri batsharaho results twatwareba mu vuyo buke no manya batandikaho ningashi bakazana no muzano kubi none ushangaho KS aho touchline but police eroho security riguruguru tureba Saida Gumau nagarika nakwata mukache Jukangu last season he had the worst season ever how our team Bull FC just scoring 2 goals in all the matches he played for Bull FC. Said Argumaho, remember he was the top scorer of the season. Our team Mbarara City That was season 2024-2025, but last season he had the worst season ever at team ya Bull FC.
Tere cross lingwa batibwe ya Bushenyi bitka mpira wasikone kwatamo bamwita Baron yaguhereza shot number 8 kandi abatimwe ya Shema, that is Oscar Biarhanga back pass yagariza Baron shot number 5 abatimwe ya Shema bila muringo jikango Baron last season akana shambira district ya Rampara no mwa bashyize Rampara mu semifinals empakezi eza Ankole Cup mu edition ya kana cause turebaho another attempt half chance abatimwe ya Shema bitkandi goalkeeper Mwetinka Kasim yasikana rga line atasembera Tere shot 5 Mwetinka Ronald Oti yasikana tika mbere ndijo Bushenyi bakwine tere cross lingwa wala sekundu za heru Pira sekundu za heru mnyano wajahurikize sigaza kwetanka Jacob Kamwesije pira ya guteka heru abatimwe ya Bushenyi 0 Shema 0 Ankole Cup edition ya mukaga rather edition ya 2026 kandi edition ya katano goal kick habwa Shema pira gukira 0-0 one possession pira gukira 50-50 chances ibira hari ibiri only one shot on target aba district ya Shema kandi at least no reba nguriya team zombi je ko no rwanda amashije kugira ngo turebe noha abasiko naija ari better ahead of the other Rogers Mugisha yaje pass nunji asana ushangasha number 18 sigazo kwetanka Senfoka goalkeeper Kasim pira sekona kwa tabati ya Shema Baron yahedi mpira muringwa wa district ya Shema gukire umwanya shot 15 Mwetinka Isma aba district ya Bushenyi yaguherezoha siga Jacob no mpira Jacob line yaguhereza once again turebaho district ya Shema baje kuna composing apora banjiga ka build up kato kache Shema baje kuna bagarika inyuma kwasi kuna bita saninga shokuri feningo mpira gwabo bitkandi district age ya Shema shot 6 Mwetinka Davis Kakaira pira gutehere neza kubera throw ina ba district age ya Bushenyi gukira 0-0 kandi Bushenyi bakizembaza kandi bahangura mpira goals zikingana 3-0 but anything can happen no mpira Davis tokawase kuzidefining on first half turu pass ya Rakseneramo turu cross ningwa kiraka referee najandeza kubera kona ba district ya Bushenyi is going to be a corner for Bushenyi Ishkangu captain Mwetinka Ronald Oti azure shot 5 kandi kana wasikoni gambira antini defender wa timu ya Chitara kandi akashambira timu zese munka ball Ronald Oti mwa defender zo barunji kandi akatorone kirabo cha best defender season zingire nyuma aho kandi antini no mushamba timu ya Chitara kandi center back ningashe defender aba district ya Bushenyi ndurebo referee nagira ati tubaseka tureto mpira kandi tugumizemo na mpira gwizobere kandi yiwe omuhagizi wa Ankole Cup cyo rukana cyintu abantu munonga bakuturemo district zitari zimwe na zimwe abibanda mwetegure nyencha kare ni kisakuto kutatafundikire ahari Kagongo ni kisakuto kutatafundikire nyencha kare hari Kagongo it's going to be Ibanda versus Kazo ijuka Kazo edition ya hwire bakarara shayi nibaza kwizabina kintu cyo kugira ngo awe goal ureka bashoboza kana na edition age harimo awe goal isa kona for Bushenyi another chance leta cross ningwa box wana bahediga kandi gushyira box shot 18 yasikona gwihayo ahabwa timu ya Gisefka ahabwa timu ya Shema gwasikona za line mama nyabo what a big chance what a big moment ahabwa district ya Shema mama nyabo what a big moment ahabwa timu ya district ya Bushenyi kare gwagumizamo cross our district ya Bushenyi mitwe basikona heading atrema chance ya Jacob box on goalkeeper mama nyawa chance wana saira ruko referee na jangu ha referee na jangu offside saira ruko goal bajanga referee munyana wajya urikiza kureba ko mukire kaka munyana wajya kurakire kaka goal basikana bajanga bagira ngo saira ruko yaba offside.
Indeed, he was offside. Saira Gumaho awaza kureba ya mpira almost goalkeeper yabari inyuma impact ya mureke nyuma but no yari henyine omugore kikuba kimanyisa ngo even na defenders yabasigire inyuma yeye aho mpira gwabasa kumushangira omisho. It was indeed offside. And referee atoreka maturity in his skills, in his abilities kugira ngo abase kuba na denying this very cause.
Of course 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema batorekaho technical bench our district age ya Bushenyi ntore barho one of those legends Kala club chairperson Mwami Jonathan Tibatina abari kumanya numanya atire munonga mu district ya Bushenyi kandi nomwe aba composers ninga founders aba district age ya Bushenyi kandi ari team ya 6 o'clock ariko nakurunje muri regional league Jonathan Tibatina na jati zoberi no kushaba nkaba kuchera tubira yorobe is now Ronaldo T yaritompira muri ngo giza bashanga seri argo mahongeto zargayo referee najangu naza kwa free kick engeto zargayo naza kwa free kick wa district age ya Bushenyi. Referee aita Baron defender wa district age ya Shema shot 5 Baza kubona controlling a game kandi tulikuwa ntsima uhereza wa referee okugwa yasikona toreka professionalism babaze ko gunatoreka nguriri natoreka professionalism to that level yo kugira ngo maybe tarure kwa soninga shibya basikona baho edition ya hwire tubine kwantu bireba turebe mpira muringwa biza kwa shangoha washanga shot number Charles Bare shot 14 Charles Bare shabati meja ya police back pass biza kwa shanga shot 7 mamwetoha bila basikona guha referee na jangu. It's going to be a free kick for district ya Shema. It's going to be a free kick for Shema, which is 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema.
So far 21 minutes izabasa kubana zurgaine zirabo mu ceka cite cyo kubaza katara kareberemo yellow card yone kikuba kimanyisa teams zirimo nizigeza kuzana zirimo zihara yellow cards and of course nkofta to expecting derbies ezo kushanga ngo nezo kujwerana even nezo kufano kuona patwa karebero yellow card yone meaning that the two teams have maintained discipline ninga shiba basa kubana bargaide bakiremice omusano kupaha so far in 21 minutes. Nani kadodo Weba ni mto.
Gusema tabarano. Faruk na nabwa district ya Shema kandi basikana musindika ho mpira basikana guriho. It's going to be a throw in aba district ya Bushenyi. Faruk mpira gutaheru. Gukiri 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Shema. Of course Bushenyi nkanyina wa Shema. Kare shot 7 Ronald Tujasima tule cross ningwa pira gule basikona guita is going to be a goal kick our district ya Shema. Of course message ni zireba nyingi mnonga wa YouTube wala kumashikora kurungi mnonga abakutureba hariya mukutugwita gwa www.rnews.com kimukora n'icyo cyamana mnonga oryo kuriya rugendo to ine akireko kustama TV no asakukoresa simu yawe yenyini zahariya Chrome ninga shi Google searching www.rnews.com Nuzako no tufuna kurungi mnonga areba mpiro noza ko no kufuna no gotaburo hari henyini amkutugwito gwa www.rnews.com nuzako no areba mpiro gutuno kandi turi hari Bushenyi main stadium yishwangu tarwati we are the official broadcasters and ampakeza Ankole Cup on edition ya katano and now we are at the opening game that is Bushenyi versus Shema. Tunomshambi wa district ya Shema ya Hansi shot number 15 Mwetenka Waswa Kasirie ari hansi edition ya huri na stira kabari ya district ya Shema. He's one of those players abatira district ya Shema. Tureba team doctors referee ajirango hapana Abashema mutakakoresa nkakakoreye kugira ngo mutwara kaburiro mukihanuya mutakoresa nkakakoreye kwasika no muiha point hanuya hapana numanya tukatwerekaho obwire numwishika habarebera Premier League yobwire buriya twati no mushamba we mbeta Eden Hazard our club ya Chelsea obwire bakaba ine team doctor ari umucyara every time you would see Eden Hazard ari kurwara bukirikire aha kugira ngo maybe akawa nateka mbera kandi yo kugira ngo ashize hakire so nanizo bere bagira ngo Refari agira ngo apana mugarika heru mwetereza ko batwenda kusisha kire aho kugira ngo mwine akande kugira ngo mwine Dr. are very serious tureba crossingwa shot 8 are offside aba district Jashema mwetenka Oscar Byarhanga are offside. Twareba MPs nka MP wa Mbarara City South mwetenka honore mwine mpaka yasako nafuna shot on targets ishatu mukazo nataba sekonda mugoro nemwe. Twareba finally mwine mpaka yafuna shot on targets ina kandi yateba goremwe andi Lilian Ruteraho nako nyina sekonda yateba goremwe hariyezo goals zibiri eza sekonda zitebwa ba MPs kandi omusigazi Oscar ari hansa kwa district age Yashema Oscar Byarhanga ari hansi kandi final yasikara yimukaho pereza kugumiza mu kandi aba district age abushenyi bakwitana district Yashema. Is a free kick Faruk abashema yaratompera muringwa bagutomeraho kwiza kwa Shangoha pale Charles Bare aba district abushenyi ngizo za Rugero final ya free kick. Referee ajagunde free kick aba district ya Bushenyi. Isa free kick for Bushenyi bikaraja abanyana baje barikiza mukire nkaka bari kureba Tar West kimukorana cyamana mnonga.
So far so good. Our district ya Bushenyi trying to win possession, trying bagezaho kugira imico even angwada n'abahagizi bwo runako already so but so far district ya Bushenyi 0-0 so far 0-0 Seira Lugumaho it goes wide off target for Bushenyi district Seil Almaho just number 9 aba district ya Bushenyi Jukangu akasandira team A6 Okro kazandira team ya Mbarara City tukaleba last season ari crossinga katika team ya Mbarara City akigita team ya Bull just scoring 2 from that OT a prayer to Chitara Football Club just 25 years bakamzaro kwezo kwikumira mwako gwe 12. Imagine if you to look at Ronald OT, some of you outside there you're older than Ronald Oti, but the man is very strong. But Kasim Hafiz, a prayer pawn in 2004, currently plays for Express Football Club. Shikangu Ebzobja Express na biontu manya last season bire binchi. Katolika Oscar, Baba Tujangu Nogo Kishka Ogwat District ya Bushenyi Charles Barley. Former Soccer Club of Villa player, former Goma here, former Ryan Sports player, that is Charles Barre. Watoleka ba Bushenyi bageza kuba composed. Mbubu Chase number 8 trying to do donkey work for Bushenyi district. Watoleka Chase number 6 Kakire currently plays for Bihimba United States, delivers 1. Ronald LT na katika na kwa Tama district ya Bushenyi Mbubu Machangu free kick in the Shema district.
It is the free kick for Shema. Free kick of district ya Shema. Free kick of district ya Shema. Twarebo chance. Ya Seira Lugumaho. Yes, kona akora kandi. Yabere off target, but it was a big chance really. Yabere chance man mnonga. Ya press space ya kona shootinga. Koko mpira kwa gure off target. Free kick of Shema. Rogers Mujisha. Shot 14 aba timu ya Shema. Rogers Mujisha abari kure muri Shema side za Kanyiganyeje nabaramseho abari muri Kabuhe nabaramseho abari Tendero. Rogers Mujisha umwana wanyu guhanuya. Rogers Mujisha yakibwa pira muri ngwa gwiza gasongoha shot 18 aba timu ya Shema refa naje ngwenchi tinekiriho amapira wasakana kuza heru shot 18 wasakana guteka heru musigazo kwetanka Semfuka Rahmat Semfuka sakana guteka heru kandi yashamba kurujina na Brian Buhanda mwetenka Kanyesje Brian goal kick wa district ya Bushenyi basakana shobora mpira muringwa Mwetenka Hazif Kasim batomeraho basakana gusangoha ba Jacob shot 20 aba district ya Bushenyi Jacob no mpira Jacob yabasakana kanga Jacob yari cross ningwa box na hariho shot number 8 bahidi basakana gora Faruko gwashangoha na tureba timeji ya kwekaba Kakira aba district ya Shema yabasakana tema mpira muringwa kuza gwashangoha isna Oscar yanjye mpira gwashangoha Brand bahana mpira gwasakana kumuyihaho tureba district ya Bushenyi basakana hidi mpira muringwa refana jangweji refana jangu shot number 9 Mwetenka Saida rugoma ya offside. Free kick aba district ya Shema. Free kick aba district ya Shema gukira 0-0 mchekane cyo kubanza. It is a beautiful evening mukama atorezensi yanungi kuni muri Bushenyi. Abareko bari kuri akapira manyanti kuri muri Bushenyi ensa nungi mnonga. Sina kitera mukono. Hazamu akabiho hazamu akashana ko mwihangwaho. Embera ernungi. Baro mpira sakana gumisa guza mushangoha. Jacob once again Jacob yata cross ningwa aba district ya Bushenyi. Isma no gine cutback washangoha. Side number 60 aba district ya Bushenyi. Bate garansi referee jango hapana tine chiro. Referee ya byanga. Referee ya jango hapana tine chiro mutwase ko tushamba. Referee ya jango tushambe. Shot 15 aba Bushenyi Mwetenka Isma. Bagira ngo hapana. Referee ya jango hapana twase ko tushamba tarho cyabaho. Referee agira ngo hapana tushamba pendo gwabashije gwagumizamo. District ya Shema para shot 15. Baro no pia sokana gwihayo. Akuza gwashanga shana 5 Mwetenka Ronaldo T Uganda Cup winner na district na rather na team ya Kitara FC. Faruku aba district ya Shema. Yasokana hiyo muntu kurungi mnoga shot 12. Faruku yagwerezoha shot 18 Mwetenka Mugisha shot 18 yasokana leta mpira hansi Semfuka Mugisha bategara hansi refana cha free kick. Semfuka ali hansi free kick aba district ya Shema. Abarukuriye muri Kampala n'abasima bari side za kuriyo muri Masaka n'abasima abakuture bamukurabera amukutwite wa YouTube ori aheri hanga cyo rwanda cyo cyamana munonga abariza Kuwait abariza Abu Dhabi abariza Saudi Arabia azimukorana cyo cyamana munonga bari akuturebera YouTube abari hari www.rnews.com kimukorana cyo cyamana munonga abakuturebera kuri muri Sembabure n'abasima abari hano muri Bushenyi mutawuni ya Bushenyi ni n'abasima abari kuri muri Kizinda kimukorana cyo cyamana munonga abari kuri side za Mitoma n'abasima of course ntine bugarukira bari kumukunda kimota ya West TV ya Nyirakariyitu Semfu kwegamba Faruku yari tompera muringwa mitwe wasikana gurigayo bizo gwashangoha Oscar aba district ya Bushenyi yari da cross ningwa pera gwasikana ku side nettinga side net corner ahabwa irize corner ahabwa district ya Shema. It is the second corner ahabwa district ya Shema. Shot 15 Mwetenka Waswa Kasirie ahabwa district ya Shema is going to bring the second corner for Shema. Haroko sindi kombox referee na jangu mbasakana mwetereza tinkwenda hanu yakavuyo na kamwe. Shot 29 ahabwa district Mwetenka Brand Buhanda naje kwa nasindika mpora na defender. It's going to be a corner ahabwa district Tire cross ningwa mu box goalkeeper Galain yapachiga mu mpora kwa second kushangoha. Shot 18 pira guri heru. What a big chance. Semfuka yasukana naga chance KG. Semfuka yasukana naga chance vitu. Nibajirangu oratende chirompi anu wakumanya pressure. Mubuzeho Mikel Arteta Gabriel Magalhaes ari kutera free kick rather penalty on finals of Champions League tukareba Arteta he was almost crashing down. Oratende chirompi anu amanya pressure echero kumanyisa mnonga omukire nkaka stage KG niyo kwiguraho Ankole Cup niyo kuteka hembera KG numayishi kumanyisa na mnonga mukire nkaka.
Okay, so far so good. Our district ya Bushenyi, even Shema trying to gain possession. Shema barimo bagezaho kwiba possession district ya Bushenyi, but so far 0-0. Bushenyi bachaine 0 na Shema bachaine 0. Inchileba hanu ya Rhine. One of the best right backs, Mugisha Rogers, the player at KCCA, delivers one. Mugisha again. Bachango mpeano go kushika line batoreka Farouk Jazeen number 12 owa district ya Shema Fikangu Shema so far district ya Shema. They are trying to win possession aba district ejimpaha bakuzibaho ahari Bushenyi district Fikangu Bushenyi pattern kabina man mingi mnonga bakuzaniraho omu box ninga she as half ya Shema district but so far currently at Express FC. Jukangu asofa turi edition ya katano ya Anchor Cup teba kumanya ngutwine ba winners abaro kwikabasha tubonka twine district eri kumanka ya rubirize kacangure mirundi eri kwingana ebiri twareba even angwana district ya in fact a district ya rubirize ekabasa kuba nehanguraho first edition eri kusingaho ntungamo wabo chajukaho omusano gwazanirwe adcham rather omusano ogwazanirweho it was Kacheka main stadium then twareba buhweju ero kwanguraho editions ezikwingana ibiri hamwe nangwe na district ya Isinjiro. If you are to remember that late winner ya Joseph Akalwanaho harukusi boxing out district ya Kanso and the shots bajangu haruho free kick referee Najati, there was no free kick. Bachangu emikono yaberi ahabode. That is abwa district ya Shema. Bahonaho ka free kick ompaho. Jukangu abatanu baru jabaro mkachari Sobare. Let's see Gonadoti delivers one. Penalty. Wide. Said Al-Gumaho misses this one. He misses from a cross range. Sayuri Al-Gumaho, just a prayer to Bull FC. I told you he had the worst season. Just scoring 2 goals at Bull FC last season. Remember 2023-2024, he was the top scorer at Mbarara City, scoring just 7 goals. Our team Mbarara City loses from cross range, misses from cross range. Good delivery from Charles Barre. One spread for Goma here. One spread for Lions Sport Rwanda. Charles Barre. Jukangu Charles Barre no mwe omuryaba basana bari Jerome Masaza Cup. That was 2021 Arukuzanira Kompa. That was a Buganda Masaza Cup. Charles Barre 2021 akarugo Masaza. Yazanira team ya Soka Club Uvira. Jukangu Soka Club Uvira kajitera goals zikingana 10. That was 2023. Bakangurech Kopo cha Uganda Star Times Premier League. Their 17th title of the season. Aho Soka Club Uvira. He was also instrumental, just scoring 12 goals. Charles Barre.
Yes, of course. Said Al-Gumaho is gonna losing that opportunity. One of the biggest tonight, of course. Tukurebaho chance KG. Tataka rero chance KG kushanga ngo that cross range. Hariko missing chance KG, but of course goal kick aba district KG. Heya Shema. Goal kick pass mpira muringwa. Mitwe kurga number 7 aba district KG Bushenyi. Sigazo ketanka Brian Nyabwina basikana mu dispossessinga. Nigashaba gumuyaho kandi kono kugenda misho mukire nkaka. Charles Mbumbu in fact Chelsea Bare Said Al-Gumaho Shana Baten aba district KG ya Bushenyi mwetinka Edgar Ajuka Bushenyi bagaruka mbato babikora kushanga ngo mbateba from that close range, but of course gorase kwanesharwa abwishoboka kugira ngo babashazire ikitambara cya kimukire haro offside. Neza kubera free kick aba district ya Shema. Bitwa nyongera kwa ni kuma instanti bimyano wanje ari kutureba ko aho kuturebera hona ekintu kiri higura munonga kintu nekine vibe hano yari Bushenyi wano rebaho embere ko rene tambana no kumabaze ko kuno kireba nguriyare hariho enshonga enkuru Oscar Shema atampira cross ningwa goalkeeper Presa kana gumisinga kaneza kubera kubona aba district ya Shema abantu bagirangu Shema nekira igara kuko abantu bagirangu igara nekira Shema tindi kumanya izobe tinde kwantumanya noha ari kukira mutahiwe umanya kuzara umwana akakwindishira umwana ndijo Bushenyi kajara Shema kuko Shema yabera Shema Gukira 0-0 cyogane cyo kubanza turi live at RWS TV dakika ziri kwingana ana n'itano za seconds zwayo in fact another chance aba timu ya Shema basekonda misinga pira msigazo kwetanga baro ni sekonda kwidinga gwaza heru kandi neza kuba goal kick wa district ya Bushenyi dakika zizwayo zo kubanza kandi bangira dakika moyonka dakika bangira dakika moyonka amucuka kitu cyo kubanza kandi umukire kaka cyo kubanza dakika za seconds zwayo kandi bangira dakika moyonka 1 minute to pray at this very Kuriambo Bushenyi 0 Shema 0 Bushenyi nekira Shema ninga Shema nekira Bushenyi umukire kaka gukira 0-0 turi kuri atomanya no ha arukusingoha most especially umukire kaka turi Oscar for Bushenyi Oscar for Shema cross lingwa Brian Handa mpira kumisinga kwiza kwa sangoha turamusikaza kataka mama nyabo safe kapira skona guteka hira ba district G ya Shema game ikiri balanced side zombi za kwani zirumba kandi side zombi ziboreka ngurira binamani no bukintu Shema bafuna more chances kusinga Bushenyi but Bushenyi bafunaho one of the deadliest chance of course kurga hari Saira rugumaho but it was not converted and that's it all for first half kwa sekondo kutambara gutyo 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Shema. We're going to take some little break. And of course, we're going to manya noha ya sekona na Teresa imbere nunji. Omukire kaka.
Of course, so far so good. First half yabasa kwane hendera 0-0 tine ya tepo mkatimba kamjenzi we district ya Bushenyi. Jikangu bine 0 na district ya Shema bine 0. Teba kumanyango omzano gumpawa turi America Rural Stadium necha cha district ya Bushenyi. Basa kwa nocheta ho Bushenyi main stadium. Jikangu nechi chamani mingi mnonga iwo otiro embeho esata ya RWS TV. Obati ya turi achaye chimpaha. Teba kumanyango Bushenyi they were Bushenyi bajeza okoreka composure mpira even bagezaho according umupira bagezaho kutunga chances batwaribaho some big chances missed ningashi Saira Rugumaho ariko missingaho chances aba district ya Bushenyi even twaribaho some good display kuruga omukuru mbasa ko bano mwita Kakire Davis is a player at Buyimba United Saints ogomzani wabano mwizikaho Aishemere Elia Budemba SS he was one of the best midfielders so far ya toreka display amani aho district ya Bushenyi but waza kureba district ya Shema twaribamo abazana bamani mingi mnonga omuzano Rogers Mugisha yatorekaho experience yabase kubana iha team ya KCCA sofa akagiretaho omuriage Ankore Cup ya 5th edition jikangu na kugira ngo Ankore Cup turi edition ya katano sofa even awaza kurebaho tineho abahunguze abarukwingana basha tubonka kuya ekikopo kitandika tune district ya Rubize cha ekachanguro mu ndo gukwingana gumwe even twarebaho district ya Buhweju erukangura first edition and second edition then twareba last edition erukangwa kujwaho a district ya Isinjiro Joseph akangwa naho he's just a player aho omuyanga area Tanzania anazana team okwempower omuyanga area Tanzania but once played for Express yazanwa na team ya Mbarasi we atibere the only winner Isinjiro bakusingaho district ya Kasokor omurubisha but so far so good twenda kureba kache abagizi abase ko bantu batugambira niti Shema ine kora kurebeka ngo yasinga omupira niki Bushenyi ine kora kurebeka ngo yabasa kubane yayo obone rukingana bushatu bakakapitalize ingira at home advantage sa nakwa kirambe za tayaro
amazina Muhammad Musinguzi Amazina ni Muhammad Musinguzi kandi umuhagizi wa Bushenyi igara na Shema no bimanyanka burijo ukagoro twakatebere konka tinacenge cyagendo mishaho refu yakihayo konka muraro tujine rya higuru
tugire ngo yabera offside ninga yitara offside
ampiro ko kwa kutari offside abo kuba kwa rwo mu print tugureba je munana nambi 10 yakwatamu winga yakutahamu winga yatebero mpira gweyo akwatama muherwa kwa shazire line so goro yitu yeshemere kubane standinga konka mani ninde atugiginemu kandi tuposition ingereje nitugwe horo mpira ntugwihayo
to expecting echi omuryogo mupira correct score ninga shi a prediction yawe Ubushenyi nekera Shema ninga Shema nekera Bushenyi no uru kutwara
umupira Bushenyi netekwa gusinga abo kuba nogerebe wanorebe cyakiri ashaya ha chances nyinje za zero za ziri za Bushenyi so amani gona tushigina ha nitugwehurira tubasa gusinga na gori birahari bushe.
Okay, Shema yabasingachi omuchayi omuri these first 45 minutes Shema yabasingachi omuchayi ekyazibura Bushenyi kutunga gori yo kubanza mu cweka cyo kubaza.
Shema ya Tereza muje wade noreba twatwagishumwira katimba konka tinacenga refa bwa cya yo goro yitu konka nikirebe kangu bagezeho ku defending abo kuba chance nyinji twatuzine twasinjiro mpiro mchaya aho konka chance tekarebe kireje.
Okay, nyine ho Alfrio cha Jose kache abase kuba natugambira okache to expecting echo mucweka cha kabiri niki echaboru hagati ya Shema na Bushenyi yasingachi kandi Shema yasingachi a district ya Bushenyi.
Wano reba ho mpiro kwase ko gutambura na mnoga dakikana nitane zo kubanza noreba nguriyare district ya Shema baba muwa possessive singa hari Bushenyi wade chances za Shema za zitariho chance yo kugira ngo this was dead yes ninga share very so close to teza goal kuri that inti chances bafuna district ya Bushenyi babine chance ya serial kuba kwasona ngafuna that goal of course goal onkeje mu double keji ene manche chabana mnonga onre that ndachikana ni 5 of course you cannot define na mnonga double tochile tuzireba double is defining a moments shanga muntu afuna moment ya tereza goal but I think game yechile 50-50 balance and we truly believe in second chibasika bose especially no ndashikira kuri tabekam abazuru wanje nyine ho omwe omba technical ba district ya Shema omwami Paul twakutangira ambezo taru west udashikara nani tano twazireba kandi really zazirimu that level of intensity wazireba utayiwe nko muntu
amazina n'umujwa abari kutureba abagize ba Shema nkaburijo Shema ne kirigara turya heru tutayire ni game yo kubanza so it is expected we are happy of the result still at 0-0 kandi tutayire turyomuka ni game yo kubanza twafayo ekinkureba abasambu bitu baramba setoringa akoya kabahoma ko kutayaya fan base ya Bushenyi yabanza kubakanga konka according to my look indeba ngu temperature yabawamu baza kusetoringa edakika 80 ezabanza result 0-0 net favoringa turaga cyo mu second half coaches baramba communicating ba correcting errors zo barebamu nintekateka kandi impamya ngutwaga ko mu kicoka cya kabiri ompiro guza gusingi.
Now, one Paul, one reba bench ya team ya Shema, noreba ngo ine bench better than Bushenyi. Because we know some of the examples abashambira mpira gwankore kandi bine kiba kumanyisa. Now, ekintu echo tugire mu masako twese nka advantage mu second half mutereza results.
Ya bench ya Shema nabana barukosa kandi na mnonga abana basambira cyayeki. Na mnonga ko musambika kuranuma ari ya bench ari na itekateka ekisaye cyasambira mu mirundo mingi namanya ki naikari namanya ko scoringamu so empindukera abeho yona tujya kwijana mani singo mpiro gwa Bushenyi.
Final prediction yawe
1-0 in favor of Shema.
Okay, 1-0 that is according to umwami Paul yatugira ngo 1-0 ahabwa Shema kandi agakachi divininga Shema nekera igara. That is according to Paul and ndire katurindire chika 80 cyo cya kabiri. But of course as we talk right now I think we shall take a little break bazuka tumura mukache tukore akasete kaba kumabitu tunyura natwe na cyo cya kabiri okiri Atayar West TV kana bonongo mabazo ko guturushanye Almain Stadium targaho sigara.
akahoho kararugokwe kukaransonasona nkunyije na bene iwe.
Hati turakozesa sabundi za Wandazi.
It is okay, ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura. Kambanjurire esabuni za Wandazi zirimo birungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kukuhwera kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wandazi herbal soap ibyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wandazi baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi black soap okuchencho burofu kwa mubiri okasigarura bobera. Aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abajenyi banyu Wandazi guest soap eina kahoho karungi. Esabuni za Wandazi ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo abariko no mbwinji tere simu noti 383 gura hati.
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Hati mchara
Wanje mwami
numanya abana nibagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi. Aho washota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireze motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma.
Mwami wanje abwacita kushashura ntkozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire ndige basa kwangura school van
Namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabwo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Bino bintamye kene nawe bwante walisanyi geri mpewa kazero kombo cha drink Bublan akuja chako What is it now? I don't know leta ubade we kakane buli magenda kuna Labano rena sange neda katiri bashi gwengera kuwa kazero kombucha gwengera kuwa kazero tawata nawe kwata kutumanyi mbona bana bade myaka musambu bedu ngabali mu business kali buli mungenda mu myaka tumakwata
bino bikoredwa aba Jonathan and Frank Investments abawongezewa People's Choice Quality Award 2025 bakuletedde ne kazero drink and win promotion eranga kyosanga mukasanikira kyowangula buno kazero tewali kikuwangula.
Hope you had better luck than us.
Did you get the crown? Open it. Man, this better be real. What? Where's the crown?
Grab your...
a district ya Bushenyi. Then district ya Shema bagarwa second Andrew bagarwa Washwa Kasidi bagarwa Keremera Faruk bagarwa Ayoreka Baron, then Akada Augustine Kakire Davis, then Raimat Semfuka Abyavanga Oscar Mugisha Rogers Kanyesi Japan amenangwa na Taruma Berk uko batandikaho a district ya Shema. Beckham the sports pastor vyo Jose tukutwaraho the next 40 minutes.
Indeed tutaza kwandika cyo cya kabiri kandi Bushenyi ni baraziro na district ya Shema ni baraziro kandi kumwasaka n'umuhurira haba kugira ngo Shema ni kirayigara konka igara ni kirashema, so we are not sure twabireshwa kumanya niki kugera cyo nyino misho bitu ejo nibwo nomanya no kugira ngo bamwe hari abana mnonga baterezaho pipe na mnonga ashaya haniba MPs bitu kandi ba Burengeri bona almost everyone kurigo muri Burengeri zobana sukana bijeho na mnonga bavuga bati district ya Bushenyi refari jangu tugendo misho tino cyabaho kandi shana ba 9 wa Shema umwetenka Derek Taremwa wasakona asigarance final wasakona imukaho Derek Taremwa neza kubera stro inaba district ya Bushenyi. Turebaho Charles Bare Chess control bamusirika mpira wasanga umuyaho gwiza gwashongoha neto musigazo waketanka Sebufo tompira muringwa na Ronda Brian nako heading mpira muringwa 10 goalkeeper nasukona rigayo align kwa nasubana kwata goalkeeper asukona kwata kurunje munonga atandika mpira hansi kona hansi gwiza gwashongoha shangoha sha 15 mwetenka Isma aba district AG ya Bushenyi Isma yanjika pass line gwiza gwashangoha basukona basindika rushira line refana jangu throw in aba district AG ya Bushenyi throw in for Bushenyi ya time kompira shot 8 mwete Kabumbu Bobo mwagwini yanjika pass line basa Shema data Derek akwerezoha sereba ho musigazo kataka nga Oscar bagumwibaho no Derek no mpira araho isobaso kunshango ha brand bahanda baskale refanya jango akusigazo kataka Derek asana muska bifanye kwa district AG ya Bushenyi gukiri 0 district ya Bushenyi 0 Shema. Referee na eta Derek Taremwa yamutaje ati mbwenu borinzireho kare Isma nwagwina ba district ya Bushenyi. Isma yarita cross ningwa box turebaho Bumbu yaskana go heading mpira chance ya district ya Bushenyi once again bategare hansi. Referee nagira ngo isa free yellow card yargayo myanwanja rukirizo mukire kaka yellow card yargayo aba district ya Shema twase kunera bazo mukati yabaga district ya Shema umusigazo gatanka Derek yaheba yellow card shot number 9 mweta Taremwa Derek aba district ya Shema yaheba yellow card niza kwa Afrika aba district ya Bushenyi kandi gukiri 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Shema bitu games in case za dabe tutakuba tureba moments nigaje twakwetanga assists ezikuruga mu set pieces most especially dabies in case tureba comments ezikuba ziri mu moments nigaje chance by chance ushanga timu yahangura mpira bitu star moments sigumere kureba timu keji kurga basikane hangura mpira with that much composure muno mukire kaka free kick aba Bushenyi abasigaza bari muka Isma yasikana gwemeramo nana musigaza waketanka Isma aleta cross ningwa box amitwe basikana gwihayo gwashangoha zinawo Jacob for Bushenyi deflection referee najiranga neda referee ajangwa pana referee abyanga free kick for Bushenyi yellow card zargayo shaten Edgar Izuka yellow card for Bushenyi Sera rugumaho najirangwa pana turindemo Izuka Edgar shaten aba district ya Bushenyi yellow card. Refa naje kwa explaining anajirati the body move definition ne adabe district ya Bushenyi niba complaining kwa siku baharo penalty wakati bagigaba abashamba bagirangwa pana hatariho nshobiona referee mpora nagize ko nakikanye mbera umwabazi ko gunyamurunje turi hari Bushenyi Main Stadium Nkole Cup edition ya katano kandi is the opener mwaka 2026 free kick aba district ya Bushenyi bitwa gukira 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Shema Isma shot 15 aba district ya district ya Bushenyi bitera cross ningwa bitwe Said Argumaho yasiba mpira box Said Argumaho ari mbatu bashat basindika remeraho Said Argumaho baguye final shot 80 aba district
enye babasa kubana baragenda bafirwa omugisha kandi referee abasa kubana akozesa amagezge yego na kugira ngo at least babase kuba no maintaining dabe ningashi dabe babase kuba nerwa inetira amani nibizana ba crossing umupira ba Bushenyi nibizana ba clear ingo mutwe basa kuba no mwita ujase number 10 aba district ya Bushenyi Shema nabagarikana bayungura nibizana bagarikana bakwata mujase number 6 Kakire he player ningashi bizana wa Himba United Saints Kakire Davis Jase number 6 kangu jase number 29 sana garikana kwataho wa district ya Bushenyi na share mu ntwano ya Ryan na rugana crossing jase number 15 Kawauro Isma obusana wa team ya Nek bagarikana baragane batakoringa Shema ne bagizana baganinga possession bagarikana bakwataho Kachenkito ne bagarikana bamuteka hasi ne bachango yellow card referee na chat yellow card referee na chat yellow card Kakire Davis kangu akazanaho Bulemba Ikangu Bushenyi second halves aningashi yellow cards bine ezurpingana ibiraba Bushenyi abati yababasa kubana baragenda bagaba yellow card ya kabiri Shema bine yellow card rupingana emwe batoreka Kasirye aba district ya Shema batoreka Barvon jase number 5 nomwe omba defenders abageza kutekaho performance ya man a home central defense aba district ya Shema but so far so good aba district ya Shema Bachine 0-0 na district ya Bushenyi in this very dabe ninga shom dabe jimpaha Shema ne chirigara ninga igara ne chira Shema icyo niyo dabe yabinje mutayire mutegeri yisambe ho za Tayari West TV otebano kumanya ngo nisobera nyinshi akare turi umuntu zakureteraho another dabe tine ibanda barabone basana kazo baragaye no crossing go mupira muri gwa mnonga ba district ya Shema bakwata mukache Kasirye ba crossing umupira kuri kipana kwata kuri mnonga bwa district ya Bushenyi basa kubana mwito Kasim Hafiz Sunrise Express ningashi nugori kipa wa timu ya Express ba crossing umupira ba district ya Shema jase number 9 bagarikana bakwata mu bachangu free kick near the 18 yard box bachangu free kick hihi na 18 yard box ba district ya Shema bine free kick hihi na 18 yard
zirimuka polisi club zirimuka mwana mureba club zirimuka express teams za mwizi kezo mu bariko muchikora kuri Munonga kwa sikora muhagera umpira gw'abana banyu bo witu kandi rwiri kimakora n'iki cyo muhendo free kick for Bushenyi bagutandika kuri Munonga Kawaru mweteka Isma defender wa timu eji Yanek but of course is a bench material mbatandisa umusigazo ketanka Wandera at club HB2 na wasima nashira kwa na shamba but of course alikuwa bench yeka staremwa Derek pira control gabasikon guita pira wasikon guita kuri Munonga bagutandika kuri Munonga line kuza kushanga Baron yihempera muringwa Munonga aba timu eji yashema gwasikon guita pira gwasikon gurenga it's gonna be throw in for Bushenyi throw in aba Bushenyi security very tight currency of UPDF and police and Bushenyi instant tureba assistant police abati mweja Bushenyi nagiza kwa heza directives line naja bana banje mutukume kitinza cha Bushenyi bana baje mukume kitinza cha Bushenyi ahetu irene hare throw in Isma yaguherezo cyazoketanka nka Ronald Oti yampira muringo Munonga yasikona gutere ntumuki shango ha Baron abati Shema tureba sayira rgumaho bagomba basokana bagumutangaho twabasukana sangoha bubu pascula align chat 7 aba district Bushenyi Ronald Charles Bare bano Oscar for Shema nga pasa align pera gasukugweta pira kwalenga throw in aba district Bushenyi throw in aba district Bushenyi kuchiri 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema nikipenda kusema lazima asanteni sana bari kwa nkunda kimwe tayari West TV kimukwana n'ikintu cy'abantu Munonga abakutura bari ashayi by the way twino habantu bakutura YouTube bari ashayi Bushenyi kimwakora n'ikintu cyo muhendo mwabari kwa muchikora kuri Munonga throw in ahabwa Bushenyi we are live loud and clear hano henyini ahari Bushenyi main stadium ashayi kibarkweta Mer Kaloro Cruz Stadium ishkangu it was named after Charles Bare for team ya Bushenyi back pass on the bubu ebinyonyi ya marehemrembe aterea Gabriel Magareze ya tiro penalty ya Champions League wana tereze kizampo hanuya bubu mpira sana kuteka heru 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema Bushenyi nechira Shema ninga Shema nechira igara reka tugende nzoka turebe.
Of course, chokorane chamani minji mnongi woti rembe za tayari West TV beka bida sports master for your judges here tudia ha full time jangu tubase kuba tujukwisa kuri mnonga mbiho za tayari West TV making sure kugira ngo abasa kuba not following achana bishatu kaga na mkaga turi ahadiye sen number 7 nabamwihaye bareta jaze number 8 jaze number 7 na tahamu nibiya jaze number 8 aho anibareta Ukraine haba Kranma jase number 7 haba district ya Shema then bihayo Oscar shikango aba district ya Shema ni bakura substitution biya byaranga Oscar jase number 8 10 evenangwa pargita mu jase number 7 basakwa no mwetaho Kranma basakwa no mwetaho omukiroro kumanyanka taremwa Kranma bamumba sari barunja district ya Shema even abakurire hanuya hachanga echa Ashema chonyine nechimukorane chamana badioko mu town yitu eyambara zite Mbinde Sports Center screen agitiro kuri Munonga arimo arayirebera kuri Munonga kapira waza omuchange cha Rukungiri we are getting those messages Mr. Nesta Muhumuza screen agitiro kuri Munonga nayirebera akapira Bushenyi batoreka Seira Rugumaho bamuteka chikone Seira Rugumaho na isana kwa tomupira nabajangu no free kick aside ya Shema district Bajang Said Argumaho ya sana mukubi Bajang Said Argumaho aside aba district ya Shema yikango babasa kubana bihayo omukuru kumanka Oscar badetamu Akranma we yabasa kubana baragayo bakakora substitute ejompaho emwe but so far so good omudachika so far isabasa kubana zirenge gachichaka
yes indeed guchiri 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Shema bakika batina mbakora mu mpira hinduka yo kubanza Shema batina mbakora mu mpira hinduka just emwe yonka asigara mpira kushirinko kwa sikoni gutandika kandi kuraro umushambisha number 14 mwete nkamugisha Rogers aba district ya Shema ya hansi but finally abasikora imkonka bafirika bono kwakora mufirika bamutema wataka mucireho guru takuchimanya ngo yahendeka Feroine Foshema bagusasa nuko tandika mpora mpora gwiza gwasha kuna shangoha washanga sigazi mwetenka Alex He's a free kick for Shema. Shema been a free kick mnyano wanja kurikiriza umukire. Free kick. Ata cross ningo box ntureba chance yawanwa. Mama nyabo. Misses this golden opportunity. Taremwa Derek. Yabasa kubona Messi ngo mukiko gw'amana mnonga 0 Bushinyi 0 Shema Omuntu wa Ferom za no guriyare kino cyora ashobora unyumya timu zombi zikoreka mu Zenda timu zombi zikoreka mu Zibasa timu zombi zikozere signings timu zombi zikoreka mu Zenda kugira kibabasa ko zitekaho no mnongo mu edition eyenkumibiri 26 jeteka Ankole Cup a very of course renovated and renamed and definitely hyped and of course best tournaments mu Uganda yona ahabwa chance yaji tura Jacob Fobshenyi Jacob Rwakwine Jacob abwa timu ya Fobshenyi back pass kwa Shangoha Isma guteka hoha gwashanga shana number 15 abasanga guyo Kasidia Isma abwa Shema ejo mpira muringwa chat 27 abwa district ya Fobshenyi abasanga Shangoha 7 again Jacob Joab in fact is called Joab zero pass ya kwa Shangoha Jacob for Joab Rwakwine bate kalianse refa jangu tene chirho refa ya final is a free kick final ya jangu free kick referee jangu haro free kick ati mweje Abushenyi bitaro mushambi wa Abushenyi ari hansi final yasikora yimukaho yagira ngo Riare hogoye gwahwera hwaho mwetenka Mbumbu is called Taremwa Edwin mwebare kurungi munonga kandi abakora 33 West mukire kaka Lenji base shot number 8 nafuna that kind of medical attention mitkandi Bushenyi bine free kick ango nunji sigazi Taremwa Edwin Mbumbu shot 8 hariho Kizito Ryan Figo hamwe na Said Argumaho two seasons zo gwakaza basikona ati ba free kick nunja aba district aba team ya Mbara City mujikar kushamba aba district in fact hari muri Mbara City FC tukamurebaho ari kuteba free kicks inkezi. Should it be the moment for him to justify this Kriambo, or we still have to wait and see what could come out? Said Argumaho and Edwin Mbumbu. Mbumbu tureba cross ningo deflection mpira guri heru kona Fobshenyi. It is a corner for Bushenyi. Kona abwa Bushenyi. Kona ya mkago muzano gukandi ne Bushenyi. Iwe atariko mwe kugenda mishari Bushenyi Riare Bushenyi playground it is nchikuta kitafundikire no kurya no kombe sahani cross ningwa harapera gwa gaheru neza ko goal kick wa district ya Shema Beckham edakika za second half tuzireba kandi team zombi zonjore kamani tugire ngo Bushenyi nekira Shema ninga Shema nekira Bushenyi.
Of course, our prediction ya Njobiro winji tuzukira kutana kashigamba ku derbies, most of the derbies zibazina man menji mnonga and even turn up ne yamani toka basa kugurukayo okaruzingo muzano nkogo yes no boko bori abo jenyi but oinaba hajiz benji. I expect kujang full time team tubasa kurara tware ba draw either draw ninga shi district ya Bushenyi bakakapitalize injira aho abwa home advantage kujang so far no bari munu bageza kurumba at least either basinga ninga shi ba draw mpira. But my prediction was kugira ngo Bushenyi na Shema abase ko bano bagwa either draw ya 0-0 on the opening match ya 5th edition ya Ankole Cup.
Tukango umusigazi wakatanga Taremwa Kuranma yataho mu chai but 5 minutes akakwasira mpira. We are still waiting for his first touch. Mugisha Rogers Brian Nyabwina yar offside kandi Brian Nyabwina yar offside free kick aba district ya Bushenyi 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema. Timu zombi zironda ubuhanguzi na munongo first game. But of course 0-0 will be a fair bagarukamo kusindikana kandi hariho akavuyo mu cyayi twarimo kuzana kubikuza msitima tukaza kwetaka kurani mwako na kujataka kwa zero touch but yabanzana no kusindika no kurwara no kutera Shaten Mwetenka Edgar aba district ya Bushenyi betkana Kuranma yahiba yellow card Kuranma yahiba yellow card a technical bench Collins assistant manager aba Bushenyi Collins yahiba yellow card assistant manager aba district ya Bushenyi yahiba yellow card pira gwatabuka assistant coach Collins yahiba yellow card actually na coach weye nawe arunaje ko nasindika nagira ati nayomba eshayina nawe nahiba yellow card maybe bitkanda hano bari kwa mukuratira tari West TV banyana banje mwena himuri omuri 6 stars mwena zima bari Kigazi omuri 6 stars ziri mu Kabare district ziri mu Kisoro abari side za Kanungu abari side za Kuriya side za Arukiga mu bari kwa mukuratira tari West TV. Of course ekimukwana cha man munonga Ronald Oti yasimura mpira muringwa kuri box mitwe adoha base kono shango aside ariko mabasindikana yakiramireho Charles Bare mitwe once again Rogers Mugisha riko mpira muringwa Kuranma wachigwinde kuri hansi yakwata unigata kwa silo final yase riko muntari hansi final ya throw in for Bushenyi bakutani kapora Isma nwagwine kwa shaka 27 Mwetenka Joab Ronald Oti for Bushenyi Ronald Oti yakwerezoha yakwasa kushanga bubu Andrew. In fact yabari Edwin Mbumbu pira sekona kuteka heru goal kick for Shema mwebare kurunje muno kuturatira amunjere stars zimwe na zimwe njikango hirare nuwe center referee kandi a touchline assistant referee tuneho Ajuka Darius and of course base kono baramurompira kwishoberi yenyini Saida Ruguma for Bushenyi Saida Ruguma hono waino mpira kuri line kwiza kwa kushangoha Washanga Mbumbu yasikana na Faruk yasikana gubibaho Faruk yakoreza Rogers Mugisha line wasikana gubiba shot 7 Mwetenka Ronald aba district ya Bushenyi mpira muringwa Baron yahirirwa mpira gwarikayo kuza kwa Shangoha once again shot 18 Mwetenka Sefuka Nwagwin aba district ya Shema Nwagwin na Rwanoha Charles in fact Edwin Mbumbu referee ya Jiranguri haro free ya district ya Shema free kick for Shema 0 Bushenyi 0 district ya Bushenyi.
Of course, our district ya Shema pine free kick hanuya a center line. Ikangu Bushenyi abarumba mnonga kandi a district ya Shema twakarebere mu some big chances ningash big chances. Hiswabase kubanturugani turebe but so far even a free kick bargayo nibageza kureta kavuyo aho kurwani South Central referee bakirango Bushenyi bamusanira mukubi Bachango Bushenyi bamusanira mukubi tureba Ronald Oti arabuna cyatu numanyisa kino mugeza ko kumanyisa Ronald Oti omusari wa timu ya Kitara the winner for Uganda Cup ninga shomomba hangs bempaka esa Uganda Cup this very season ninga shabwa season ejimpa aba timu ya Kitara Ronald Oti arabuna ageza kujata atu numanyisa kino mumanyisa Shikango nomwe omuri habo abarikire bakasayininga ningashi team ya Bushenyi aberu base kubanirwa ne sayininga shikango sayiningire abazaninga Charles Bale hakuruga team ya Police FC then ya sayininga omukuru komanyanka Ronald Oti kuruga team ya Kitara that is district ya Bushenyi even garchire ya sayininga omukuru komanka Kasim Hafiz goalkeeper kuruga team ya Express even tugarikire twari basayininga omukuru komanka Isma Kawauro akuruga team ya Neck he's the left back so far so good aba team ya Bushenyi even twagereka twarebaho signingaho akasigasi in fact umusigasi Isma Kawauro even angwana no umusigasi Van Figo Kizito ningash Van Figo Kizito akuruga team ya Police FC he's a midfielder ningash nazana nka midfielder bwati yatimbire Jasena Mamkaka aba district ya Bushenyi then kache waza kurebaho mba good signings ningash best signings aba team ya Bushenyi rather aba district ya Shema turebereho mukuru kumanka second Andrew goalkeeper kuruga team ya Entebbe UPPC akazana team ya Maida na team ya Busoga United. Goalkeeper basa kuba no mwita second Andrew, then waza kure Musigas Rogers Mugisha kuruga team ya KFCCA akazana team ya Gor Mahia kuruga mu yangeri ya Kenya, yazana team eri kumanka ya UPDF, yazana team ya AC Housens kuruga mu yangeri ya Denmark no bamwe Ombasani then Kakire Davis Ombasana bamani abari ya district ya Shema Ajikangu na sana team ya Buhimba United Saints na when Bonchi Woma district rather a team ya Buhimba United Saints abase kuba neba relegated kurgo mu mpake za Uganda Star Times za Premier League.
Well, goal kick for Bushenyi. Mwebare kandi tubasiba tine bwarikiro turompira muringwa agaze cyawa mitwe hari musigazo kwetanka Joab kuza gwashanga Vale Charles mpira muringwa Rogers Mugisha yatapingamo kuza kwashango Ronald yakoreza Bubu yakoreza Saira argumaho yakoreza Ronald wachikwine Ronald achikwine kuri higuru atekari hansi referee ya free kick ya district ya Shema district ya brother ya Bushenyi bine free kick tugera kwantsima ba sponsors mwena batirema kasete kimukoze n'icyo munonga bari mukundira kimwe kandi mukatuvimbisa umusigazo gatanga truth nagira ati mwe bari kutuvimbisa really ankore kapeteka yona tatire mukajejena mutukoze ikintu cy'abantu munonga basa mutebekanisa and of course abatebekanisa districts mwena mwe bari kutuvimbisa because no reba ngo team ziri organized uniforms markages n'amazina kimukoze n'icyo cy'abantu munonga abo ankore kap
Shayo nana bakora mu substitution aba district ya Shema
mama nyabo goalkeeper Andrew yabasigwa natasembera
Jukangu Ashema bari muri bageza gukora encyuka taremwa aninga shikanyisije Brian Nyabwina jaze number 29 Shayo nana aza kwa narwe nation ba crossing umupira goalkeeper na kwata kurinji mnonga goalkeeper narwe na kwata kurinji mnonga bwa district ya Shema very talented na kwatira timu ya Entebbe UPPC asa kwa nojeta Uganda FC na kujangu Shema bari muri baza kora mencyuka kanyesije Brian Nyabwina jaze number 29 Hergaina shora bwa district ya Shema nbareta mjaze number 20 Darius Naturinda jaze number 20 na atamu omucha Brian Nyabwina, one of the best strikers Shema district abera tungire his Brian Nyabwina, one of the best strikers waza kumuteka oba Ivan Ahimbisigwe jitangu Shema basani injireyo abazani even hina batare bikabazani ka Moses Charles Wayibi engineer na zana team ya Nairobi United tiarebeka even Ivan Ahimbisigwe inzarwa ya Shema nawe tiyabasa kubana rwa narebeka umupira just kugira ngo atahire ari omunkambe ya Uganda Friends.
So in for Shema abahagizi batoreka vibe y'amana munonga hani yacishayi kandi really n'ikintu cyo muhendo cyo wabihari ngo mpira muringwa byahiguru kwasha ngoha Derek tarimo mpira wasakona ku miss pressing kandi kwasakona gurenga Musikazi Ronald akura Saidi ari kumaho for Bushenyi Saidi yakanga mpora Saidi basikaremireho ata cutback mpora kwasha ngoha cutback Edwin Mpombo Musikazi Joab shot over off pira waguru off target miliyoni njya kurikiriza mukire kaka pira waguru off target neza kubera goal kick aba district ya Shema goalkeeper nabajati mukakane muhumure point mwabuje nyine tumara muhumure point mwene mara point muri mara buje goalkeeper nakisoko nasisha hakire najati point mwabuje nyine mara of course goal kick for Shema najati Shema ne kirigara goalkeeper mwetenka Andrew second goalkeeper Entebbe UPPC turi mpira muringwa bitikacho ne kwano mayino kujanti muri Ankole Cup ba goalkeepers babiri aba Entebbe UPPC bombe bari muri Ankole Cup, that is Andrew second na musigazi mwetenka Otim Dennis Mbara City of course basikone musayinga kurunji mnonga by the nenzaro ya Mbara City Otim Dennis nenzaro ya Mbara City basikone muleta kurunji mnonga is colleague ari mu district ya Shema. So goalkeepers ba Entebbe UPPC I truly believe nti bombe basikone bareka Darius first touch of course bagira ngo yashambisha itima yashambisha itima kaneza kubera free kick ya district ya Bushenyi, but of course nturebaho Mbida nikojiza kwa nitambura kandi timu ya Bushenyi bine abasigaza bari muka Aino Mugisha Bright shot number 22 ari ya bench kandi goalkeeper wa Ishaka Reigns umupaka eza akwegambeza Western Regional League Mutebo Alan of course na wadho
atabatinisa
kandi n'abasigaza baramuka batarimo Emmanuel aha benchi rutebembero Andrew ari benchi turiya singura Mansour ari benchi musigaza mwesigwa Mark ari benchi agaba Edwin ari benchi bona bari aho aba district age ya Bushenyi but as we speak right now 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema arukose bagize mbogera kwa twereza 5 hano bagira ngo Shema nekira igara kandi abantu bagira ngo igara nekira Shema so we still have to wait and see what could be the right statement. Turamusigaza Jacob n'uwa Queen Jacob for team ya Bushenyi yegweza Edwin Mbumbu through pass abaskonera bamushata 30 asikona gureka Augustine yagureka kwasikana kuita goal kick for Shema mnyano wajya urukiza mukire nkaka 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema mwebare kurunji mnonga kwasikana mutambura nito muzano kuko Ankole Cup edition ya katano opening game mwabazi yogwe nyini hani ya Bushenyi main stadium of course ba MPs nyamwinji aba muhenda bebitinisa bona barhanuya even the host MP mwetenka basaje baraba kose unari basaje baraba na barhanuya itumo bazi nkoku kandi atwakira kurunji mnonga na environment nunji atwereza akacha mshana karunji mnonga kare kugira ngo at least kawase bantfuna embera enunji goal kick for Bushenyi minutes are kicking and the hour is clicking to the end. We still have one more chance as we've seen tureberehemiza negere kuhangura mu dakika 9 plus last game kwa hwirekoje to hari birika wasikana kuhera mu dakika zeze nyine za muheru so we still have to wait and see could it be the moment tulikuwa tulinda mu another chance Kranma pass kuri hansi na ronda Faruku na gushanga nikatagushanga final mpira wasikana kurenga throw in for Bushenyi bagutandika mpora kwa Shangoha shot 8 in fact gwashanga Figo no mpira Figo for Bushenyi through pass Baron yasikana gwamo yagwihawo gwase ko Shangoha sikaza Kranma no mpira yakorezoha wasikana gushanga sikazo getanka Ramat bagumuteraho is now Derek shana banana aba district ja Shema Derek no mpira kuri hansi Derek no wagwine wasikana bagumuyaho Isma yagushangara in final gwarenga throw in for Shema Isma mpira gutahera throw in for Shema Irize throw in for Shema Omusigazi wasu akasereza kwa natambika mpira Omusigazi wasu akasirina kwa natambika mpira shot 15 aba district age ya Shema yatandika mpira kuterefu kwa shangwa Kranma Garza wasu eta cross ningwa box no hard ho is now another header coming in from Isma is now shot 14 Mugisha Rogers for Shema arya hansi refa nagira ngo za free kick refa nagira ngo za free kick Fatima Jamsha ya Shema free kick aba district ya Shema 0 Bushenyi 0 Shema Omusigazi Mugisha Rogers bamushambira kubi free kick aba district age ya Shema abatoza prediction zanyu hariya amukutugwa YouTube batugambira 2-0 reka turinde YouTube batugambire 1-0 reka turinde abatugambirisha to hari 0 for Bushenyi reka turinde YouTube messages nizreba abatugambira goshe ibira hariyemwe aho Bushenyi ni mu message twazireba mu ariko mushikora kurunji munonga abatugambire 1-0 for Shema we still have to wait let's go abatugambira Bushenyi 1-0 aba YouTube of course mwari kumuchikora mu njiro munonga mwana wanje Andrew amkutugwa YouTube yatugambire 1-0 we still have to wait Kranma yagwemeberamu aba district ya Shema is this the moment tutirengwa kan kokeire reka turinde free kick for Shema one of the latest free kicks Kranma cross ni Tujetebwe cross.
Yes, Magarez cross.
It is another golden opportunity wasted. Chance yabasekwane wa wasted. Dakika 5 in fact za chikitano. Dakika 5 kwa sekunde za dakika zenyini. Wagaruka mukwana kutambura kakire etampira umwanya gasekana kushanga sigazo getanka Joab yagurekera musigazo getanka Isma in fact Saida Gumaho wagwina kwa Bushenyi Saida Gumaho against Baron Saida Gumaho pasa kuna hansi kwa Shangoha is now Charles Barre let's cross ningwa basekana batumbera mugwa basekana gurgayo shot number 13 our district age ya Shema kula higuru no hagwine muje Sharo Jazz asakana rabamu in fact ya Darius bagumuyaho buterevu kuzo kwa Shango goalkeeper Goalkeeper mwetenka Kasim Hasif yaskana kwata kuruje mnonga yasubira mpira muringwa gucira kura higuru gwashangoha Faruk aba district age ya ashema bagumutangaho gwaskana haidenga gwarenga final throw in aba district ya throw in for Shema guza gwaskana kushangoha shot number 10 mwetenka Edgar one of those people bina yero kado musaye kira mnonga kire kaka pira muringwa guza gwashangoha gwashanga figo yago misinga guza gwashangoha once again figo yaskana gufuna gwashanga kuranuma is now kakayira Fatimiro bechi ya Shema through pass ya skonera bamu is now Ronald Oti yaguheringa gwashanga Isma utelefoni wa kwine naza kwa nakika na mpora Isma numpide fati sikte ya bushenyi pira muringwa guza gwashanga Sera gumo ya brushinga gwashanga Charles Bare asara mutu mpora mama nyabo ya Shamba kuru shamba 13 Augustine ya Shamba kuru jumnyano ajaburichirize Augustine Okada in fact Augustine Okada ya Shamba kuru mnonga ya tasembera goal kick abwa Shema 0 bushenyi 0 Shema but of course it's a very huge build up bushenyi baje kono improving mu kemu yabo bushenyi batoreka nguriri bari mu kakandi batoreka nguriri bine winning mentality mu kire kaka batoreka ngu it is the true definition of football wamukire kaka tukuza kurira kwa twatondera amuzanogu mudacyankisha tu ezasokana sigara kwa twatondera chika kinana ecyuka cya kabiri. Here comes Roger Chimugisha bagumuyeho basaka ruheza Isma yakoreza Ronald Oti asokana shamba kimwe Uganda Cup winner aba district aba timu ya Kitara turompira muringwa Sera rgumaho nwa kwine yakorezoha bumbu mama nyabo entomizargayo mnyano wanje hurukirize entomizargayo nkadabe ko kwetaha entomizargayo mnyano hanjura Taremwa Edwin Mbumbu shot 8 naiza kwa naiterento na Taremwa in fact mbe ni Taremwa
ono kurebera experience ya referee no kumisa mu counter attack ugaba advantage baramune betere chitomi so far Tino waramanye kutera a yellow card Tino waramanye muzano waratera yellow card because takumanye cha agenda mission maybe balainers babasa kubana baragaye bakama assistinga Walainers baragaye baka assistinga referee but so far to me chanyurika kugira ngo referee a referee ya taking aho advantage mnonga kugaba advantage kusinga kureba ekisobyo echabaye nyuma abazani babasa kubane baragaye nebeshe kura code but so far nanye nkati kumanya yellow card naza kugiteroa because nawe nkati kumanya wenyine omuzane ya fighting ndijo but so far abazani kwe babasa kubane baragaye anebeshe kura ekisobyo hanu yampa ijukangu ni dabe eba kuzizire ngo so far abazani baba batetira bahagize nebetera abahagize baba batetire abazani betera but so far 0-0 Abushenyi Main Stadium no to the America Rural Stadium with just few minutes remaining tukaza amuheru agwekitundu cyomuzano echa kabiri but so far Bushenyi nibageza capitalizing hanu ya Evenangwa na Shema district nibageza ku winning possession Bushenyi nibaragaye niba crossing ekipira kiringwa mnogo barura Charles Bale akwatamukache baragaye niba fighting ningashire barwana no mupira jase number 7 Panama bamuhirikana batekansi referee na jata advantage chikwenda kumanya Sera argumaho batureka second Andrew Nargeda chato mpira na kateka fana jata mwiche tuboreka basayiningira best goalkeeper so far abwa side ya Shema district baragane bagita medachike zukingana ishatu who takes the game no horo kwangura mupira baramuri baza kutugita medachike ishatu kurijera asha ya referee na chat kurijira bwiro mwashisha baza kubana bagita medachikisha tu hejikangu edachika zora zabaza kubana zigaye nizuhayo barabona baza kutugitamo added minutes ningash added time tumutuzo added time edachika zikingana nkisha tu barabona bazitereza edachika ezikingana ishatu hakujangwa at least babase kubana bazitongera mu diceka cha kabiri but omupira gucyari 0-0 Shema 0 district ya Bushenyi 0 ibizara ba crossing akapira ndabagarikana batera miss.
It is now Tania Shema Darius sereta pass kule hansi kwa shangwa kuranuma ya mpira ya gureka final gwarenga pira gwarenga throw ina ba Bushenyi ngo kubeka byasukana bagambira 3 added minutes of course it's just on your way edachika neza wantre bongera badachikisha tu chance Isma cross lingwa referee ajatukomeza mutine kiroho kina Ronald Oti kuna hansa kana Taremwa Derek throw in our district ya Bushenyi. Throw in our district ya Bushenyi. Intensity ya game nejure kwa hatisha nkezi banoreba ho kandi ba referee batoreka nguriyare embeda bajonjera kandi bayongera ku kiteka 11 ndijo wanora bahagiza kureka that face erikureka nguriyare bari so emotion na mugomuzano kogu wabanoreba abazani bakupiriye mwari kuteka ho cyakwasa cyona kugira ngo basikana ateka imbere nunji cyo kikoreka nguriyare muzano kwa Kalevo ndijo most especially umukire kaka and of course Ronald Oti Uganda Cup winner pira muringwa Muza kwa shangoha shana kwegamba shana ba 20 mweteka Jacob Bushenyi twakozire mu mpinda hinduka nemwe tindi kumbanyo babi n'abashambi 10 mwabonka ninga shit bine bench game changer tindi kumanya habwachi twakozire mu mpinda hinduka yona Jacob no mpira wa Bushenyi Jacob ali line referee na kirango throw in wa district ya Bushenyi bakatani kwa buterefu Ronald eto mpira muringwa goalkeeper ga line pira komisiza tureba cyasha timwe mama nyabo Ryan Figo Chizeto yamesinga chance ikaje mara mnoga kwa sababu anateka Bushenyi head and of course mamaza kwa bateka kandi point 3 right away kwa sababu anateka advantage omukeji goalkeeper yakoresha bihanuya yamesinga mpira from that aspect mama nyabo nechibanti mpira kwa basikano kwa kurunji mnonga tine wale mukatimba kamutahiwe kandi ariko basikana bitambura most especially babaze nkoko Bushenyi 0 Shema 0 amukire kaka indeed game ya sakana tamburetyo we didn't expect something different and finally we can still say that maybe team zombi za Telecom za Nugamani of course Shema ya Telecom neza habuje nyine hakabonero kandi still na district akandi ya Bushenyi na ukanyira bajango mwamuri muka ya demu inamani tumarasika mutwarage mweji no mukira kirinti mwafuna akabone na mnoga hanuya Beckham idakika kinana za full time twazireba tindi kumanya what do you think na mnoga kwasika twigura tournament age
of course so far abinjina nabagambire kujango yaba Erdabe bantu expecting ebintu byinyi bantu expecting okurwana bantu expecting mpira kwa man but Shema batureka kujango at least a crowd eyaberi achai ningashi abantu babari achai babatine kwimuka omuryogo mpira but composure twareba composure ya man kurwo mu district ya Bushenyi so far so good aba district ya Bushenyi and nisubira kujango baza capitalizing from there at least squad 8 areba aba district ya Bushenyi bayungura neyoreka kujango nebasa competinga nemo mu districts ezine squad zaman so far waza kureba district ya Ibanda ukareba mu district ya Isingiro kateka mu Mbarara City then so far to meaning ita mu district ya Bushenyi because bine okundi yamani ninga shibine squad ya man so far composer ni mpango mnonga even nangwa nabazani batoreka omutindo gw'amani waza kureka wauro Isma Ronald Oti babari abantu bamani so far omudachika ezina areba nyonko muntu but so far so good my prediction was right.
Well, indeed twareba district ya Bushenyi barugwa makazina na district ya Shema 0 and as expected twatine kwantire umuhanguzi zobere beat Shema bareba celebrating inde kamberebi tine head coach aba district ya Shema nakutangira mbere ya Tar West ompira gwasaka utambura as expected abagiza bitwa tumajangu draw is possible now last game mukiza hano abasikana basinga go eshatu hari ibiri you have now capitalized mafuna a point amwe ahabujenyi nikimanisha cyariyonga coach
chongera tu wamanyi abirizi Uganda chongera tu wamanyi nti twetegesereti naye abalenzi mba credit nti basobodde okusambira ku kyetu abalagidde ne tusobola okufuna akabonero kwawe
now game transition omucheka cha kabiri timu ya Bushenyi yakunyiga munonga tugire ngo buzibu bwahika walaki ngo midfield ninga timu ya Bushenyi yakika at the peak yabo
no twabadde tukiplaninze nti we have to sit back then tujja backward on break naye nga kyabadde kiplanning tompira tukubalekere mwafu yaabwe then bwe tusala nga tuze ewaabwe awo tusobola okubalumba
akabonero kamwe kamanyisa ki district ya Bushenyi most especially mu afuna area work omakoga gachi akabonero then one ozagaruka omuka kuza kushamba next games na tournament yona akabonero kamanyisa ki ahariwe
akabonero kategeza kinene nnyo that's what I can say naye tugenda kudda waka kyenzikiriza nti nno ewaka nga tuli emabega w'abawagizi baffe we are going to win the next game all proof.
Okay, thank you. Wish you success, of course, in the next game, and of course we catch up in Kabohe. Well, that is it. Bushenyi 0 Shema 0. We also have the coach Kurga district kandi ya Bushenyi kwase kwantu gambo nawe atugambire umpira kwase kandi gutambura. I believe nti Bushenyi babari umuka head coach naputangira mbe za Tar West indi twareba umpira gwakuza omaraka niyo step ndi kwase ko nikoresa. We expected something like a win Kurga hari Bushenyi, but Shema yizo muka turi kumanya ngo last game mukagisinga mwaremero kugisinga habaho ki?
First of all, umpira kwa kubonire, it was a good game. We got our chances, it was kwesa kurungi, and that's how we ended up drawing. But we had to atwine upper hand kuinga mpira, so tutakuza yetu short take, and then we work on finishing part of it. But however, it was a good game. We got our chances, we didn't take them home.
Now, technically, one whatever district ya Shema, edition age, the district ya Bushenyi, edition age, how do you compare the two teams, most especially in district age?
The two teams are good. They have played some good football. The team is good. They look organized, but still, we still have an upper hand. Bushenyi is still a big team. We didn't take up our chances, but I know then our next game is
finally. Bushenyi to expecting eki omuzanire kurataho ahabugenyi ninga shomuka.
No, you expect something good because the game was good itself, and I think you have enjoyed it. So Bushenyi is a big team.
Thank you. Well, cyangwa kwani kitambura kito kandi coach cyangwa natugambiraho na mnonga enteka tekeziriho for the next games. Niyo tuendera bitu twine omwe ombahagizi kandi omutomani mnonga kuri district ya Bushenyi turukiro kwendera. Tafutangira mbeza Tar West tugambira amazina bakweto.
Yendo tuwebaze come binjo munonga, and I hope from here we shall learn lessons as to go some period fish.
Mwebari supporting district ya Bushenyi kuiza staging cage team nungi and ndurema kugira bigarga omu district on background omu abebembezi na of course na coaching staff na management yona technical team yone basone nekora mu. Now imwenka management to expecting echi omu next games vai bomba zani muzakongeramo because twareba Bushenyi yashama mpira gona batokozere change name to expecting echi murimu.
Well, noreba change yo kubanza ne ujya ngo mpira gwa good a lesson to us. Twayega byinji a draw at home is not good and is not bad. That's one. Two, no kugira ngo nitwe abahagizi yitwe abebembezi nzakurwaringa abantu bitu munonga okureba ngo bagumana ibijano batwagira. It is tichuba Bushenyi niyo kusinga yo okuhagera omuryango kure tournament tichuba. It is known everywhere, and I can tell you a support nayo eyabahagizi neyongeraho ahabazani bitu okugira morale.
Okay, bari mu chairman kandi kwase ko tukore ikintu kecho. Finally twine captain our district ya Bushenyi. Omwami Saidi, of course, it is not surprising we are missing a chance from that close range mu first obchaka cyo kubanza turukumanya ngo Bushenyi wakugiteko misho. Echo cyakose yo mushambi.
Yes mwebare. Nyunkanyu mushambi wa Bushenyi twasa kubantu drawing a game ejo muka konka hinja yari mpira yarebe njawulwe. So twatwabasa kulemwe lizoba next time better. Next time nzakore chamani.
Effort yanyu yabase kwa nerebeka mu cyuka cya kabiri. Tugire nkoma mu plan injire ninga.
Tukujana kutwa plan injire. Konka twatuni kwesa man kwa first half twanda goal ya Yanga. So na second half twatizikunda goal tweka tubase kule kan twari engage game mu kabya Yanga twasa kule kan making a draw.
Omuhajero nareba Tar West mushankezi. Atekateke ki ekiri kurata habwa Bushenyi.
Yenshozo nesto akora. Twakuga twazitereza. So mu game ndijo nsazi collectinga ntiri wanzu asinga mpira go kurata.
Success. Well, ubwo yabari team captain kandi agwa district ya Bushenyi Rio Jose tindabase kwa nindenga hano no kwisha mu cyakare turibanda. It is Banda versus Kazo. Of course ni game ya kabiri rase kwa nayiguraho kandi match day 1 ngashi match yo kumaza cup definitely nzako twise mpira bwo butunu ambe za Tar West utaferwa abanyibanda bwetegure of course mpira mwagireba taro kushaga kona otherwise kamereze mwabaze murungi beneze no kushaguza kurungi munonga bashema baza kuza munonga kamereze mwabaze murungi na weekend nungi ariko matakomera mshara batukumire #life goes on bye bye.